Let me show you this very, very nicely made mortar and pestle molcajete bowl. Look how amazing this is, made of 100% solid granite. It measures 5.9 inches across and about 4 inches high. 2 cups it holds. This is perfect for making sauces. You're grinding nuts, herbs. You can even use it to make your guacamole dip in. This is just a wonderful, wonderful item to have in the house. I love that it's solid granite, cut, shaped, and polished into this really nice mortar and pestle set. I want to also flip it over and show you that this is a very heavy item, so you do want to see that it's completely padded on the bottom, which is very nice. It's not going to scratch anything up while you use it. Such a nice, nice item. You can put your guac in it and set it out on the table with all the rest of the appetizers. It just looks really pretty and elegant and authentic. Very nice. You can make salsas and dips. You can use this for grinding seeds and herbs and spices. It makes a wonderful gift, a wonderful housewarming gift, and it also makes a really nice Christmas gift, birthday gift, or possibly a wedding gift. Thanks for watching.